If you feel stuck financially, this video is for you. Poverty is not just about low income, it's about limited options. In this video, we are sharing top 10 low investment business ideas that can get you out of poverty. Number 1. Local service business. Offer services like cleaning, basic repairs, lawn care, or moving help. These businesses need almost no setup, start earning quickly, and grow through referrals instead of heavy marketing costs. Number 2. Freelance microservices. Sell one simple skill online like video editing, writing, research, or virtual assistance. Start with free tools, charge per task, and upgrade skills while earning real income. Number 3. Mobile food or home-based food business. Sell one focused food item from home or a small mobile setup. Low equipment cost, daily cash flow, and strong demand make this a reliable starting business. Number 4. Reselling business. Buy products at wholesale or discount prices and resell them online or locally. No manufacturing needed. Profit comes from smart sourcing and consistent selling. Number 5. Digital services for small businesses. Help local businesses with Google listings, social media posts, basic websites, or online menus. Business owners pay for convenience and results, not complex expertise. Number 6. Tutoring or skill coaching. Teach school subjects, language skills, exam prep, or job skills, online or offline. This business runs on knowledge, not capital, and scales through referrals. Number 7. Used goods flipping. Buy used phones, furniture, or tools, clean or repair them, then resell. This business rewards learning the market and spotting undervalued items. Number 8. Delivery or local logistics service. Partner with stores or individuals for local deliveries using a bike or vehicle. Low investment, recurring income, and growing demand make this very practical. Number 9. Content creation for businesses. Create short videos, photos, or posts for local brands. Most businesses want online presence but don't want to learn content creation themselves. Number 10. Simple digital products. Create checklists, templates, guides, or planners based on real problems. Sell them online repeatedly with almost zero ongoing cost. No business idea will magically change your life. What changes your life is starting small, staying consistent, and reinvesting what you earn. Choose one idea, not 10. Focus on cash flow first, not perfection. Poverty ends when income becomes predictable and skills keep growing. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs a practical starting point. Start today. Progress beats waiting.